Hello everyone, this is Greg Mersko letting you all know that we have the Illustrator Basics Workshop Part 2 coming up. I've already have some things that I've already created in here, and I just wanted to show you real quick just how you create color blends, and you could actually make transparent blends. So I'm going to go right to these crazy shapes that I already created. And I am just going to go, I'm going to work with these two shapes right away. I want to create this crazy shape that I made and I merged, and I want that to have the same blend that I have right here. So I'm literally going to make it easy for myself. Instead of recreating a blend, I'm going to go highlight my blue area with my selection tool. I'm going to go right down to my eyedropper tool. And I'm going to click on this blend right here. And like magic, it shows up, puts it right exactly where I want it to go. Now, if I wanted to go and readjust this blend, I would take it like, okay, I think I want a little more black. So I'm going to push this little slider in my gradient toolbox or my gradient tool panel. And if you notice, I get more black. I can bring it all the way back. I can do the same with the white if I want to, but I don't want to do that. And then I have a slider up here. It makes it more of a gradual change. That's pretty cool. I like it. Now let's say if I wanted to make this a color, I'm going to move this out of the way just for a couple minutes here. Go back to my shape. Let's say I want the black to be, I don't know, maybe a green color. Make sure I got it highlighted. There we go. Double click. Let's put that in green. So now I have a green to white. Let's say I don't want this white anymore. Let's make this dark blue. That's pretty cool. And you can adjust the colors again the same way. I want more blue. But the cool thing is what you could do with these gradients is you could add more color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right underneath this bar right here. And now you can see I have another circle like these two. Double click on it, and I'm going to grab yellow. Look at that. Put a little yellow in there. That's pretty cool. And again, you can readjust how much yellow or how much green. And then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to make a new one. Let's make this one pink. Again, you can readjust. And you can go as many colors as you want here with the gradient tool. You could also go, instead of a linear gradient, you can go with a radial one. That looks pretty funky. Or you could even go in and do this free form gradient where you can literally go through and pick colors and tell it where you want it to go. I think I'm just going to go stick with my gradient, linear. And you know what? I'm trying to simplify, so I'm going to go back and I'm just going to delete these colors. I don't want them anymore. And I think I want to go back to my black and white. So what I may just do, go right back to my eyedropper tool and bring back my black and white gradient. Now what I want to do is I want to have a gradient that becomes transparent. So I'm putting this big oval just so you can see. I've covered my funky looking design. I'm going to take that oval, I'm going to take it and I'm going to send it back. I'm going to go arrange, send it back. Now you can see that my crazy shape is over the oval. So now what I want to do is click on my crazy shape. I want to go click on where it's the white section. And right where it says opacity, I want to bring that down to 0. Click off it. Now you get this really cool transparent effect. That looks like it's bleeding right into that red oval. So that's just some of the things that you could do. Just a real quick tease for basics. of Illustrator Part 2. I hope to see everybody at the workshop. Enjoy working with you, and we'll have a lot of fun together. But until now, or for now, have a good day.